Hey guys, Lynn Baxley, Texas Defensive Shooting Academy. We're going to do a little bit of shooting here, so let me go and load up. Ah, crap. You know what, guys? Let me just show you something. If you shoot a ported gun, okay, and these are ported, and I think porting is a great gun, I just pulled the slide back to load the round in, and it locked open. There's no round in there, so guess what's happening? It's locking open because the port has caused some material to get stuck. If you're out on the range, what you can do in a hurry is take your knife and scrape off. You might be able to see that coming off. You can scrape that off with your knife if you don't have any oil. And I'm not going to put oil on it real fast because I want you to see that it works. And you can also scrape some off right here, guys. And let's see if that was a real quick range fix. Put it back together. Let's see if I fix that temporarily. Look at that, guys. And there you go. Of course, what you really want to do is get a little squirt of oil, because, you know, lubrication is your friend. Ah, there we go, guys. So, little PSA there, guys. If you're shooting a ported gun, you need to pay more attention to the top of the barrel, the bottom of the slide. Keep that from happening, guys. Hey, there's your tip for the day, and as always, slack out.